Hey, welcome back. Van here. I went out on the limb and bought all these products from Hair Restoration Laboratories. I'm not saying buy them. I'm not saying don't buy them. These are the products that I use myself. I've actually got all these products in my bathroom. I use them almost daily. I don't use them like I'm supposed to, but I use them almost daily. And I just want to take a moment and share with you my thoughts and feelings on this. February will be 2 years since I've been using these products. Take a look at my hair. You know, I know I'm not 100%. I know maybe it looks like I haven't grown any hair back, but one thing I have done was I've stopped the hair loss. Okay? I've stopped the hair loss. There was a moment there in the last 2 years where I ran out of the product and I stopped using it. I think that might have caused a little more hair loss because what these do is they block the DHT. It's a DHT blocker. It allows you to at least stop the hair loss, okay? And hair loss runs in my family, so this is a big thing for me, right? So I've got a few things here for you right now. I wrote this down, and this actually has the prices. This is $24.99. I'm gonna stop right here and tell you that anything you buy on their website, if it's over $35, you can split it up into 3 payments. And that's what I do personally myself. They use Afterpay, and that's what I do myself. I don't buy this one anymore. I bought this for the video, but I don't buy this one anymore. I buy these two together. Well, I buy these separate, but you can actually, let's get back to the prices. This one right here is $24.99. And the one good thing about this, I know I'm all over the place, but their website's always got percentages off. Like right now, there's a 20% off. During Black Friday, there's a 45% off. So $24.99 at 45% off is a great discount. And even at 20% off. Plus, if you go to their Facebook page, and all this will have links in the video description down below. And it's actually sold on Amazon too. A lot of this has free shipping. So you got $24.99. The professional strength right here is $34.99. The conditioner, professional or the hair restoration conditioner, is $29.99. These two together right here is $44.95. The ultra hair regrowth treatment is $44.99, and I do use that. I buy that, and I buy this one right here too. It's the max, and it is $34.99. But one thing, when I got this in, I've only bought this once. I've only bought these two once, and I've still got plenty of it. So I bought this just for the video, but my bottle didn't have the spray on it. See, this one came with the spray top on it. So the Ultra Strength Regrowth Treatment, this right here you use twice a day. Actually, the first bottle I got said 3 times a day. This one right here says twice a day. This smells really good too. Ah, man, yeah, it smells really good. When you're using this, you just want to use your damp hair straight out of the shower, towel dry it, and put it in there. It targets the cause of hair loss and helps reverse the hair loss. And it says on the website, combined with clinically proven minoxidil and DHT blocking ingredients, it delivers an unparalleled hair loss product that promotes regrowth and thicker and stronger, healthier hair. Well, turn it around here where you can see it. And yeah, and it comes with a dropper too. So you've got the option to use either one, the spray or the dropper. The maximum strength thickening serum, that's what I really need to start working in my hair, and I don't use it like I should. It says use it every day, and I don't. And the reason why I don't is because I use a hat a lot of the times. It says it instantly improves the appearance of thinning hair and experience long-lasting volume, density, and thickness with our hair maximum thickening serum. When used daily, it stimulates healthier, thicker, stronger looking hair, packed with maximum concentration of our DHT halting technology. It leaves your hair shinier, fuller, and more manageable. Yeah, this stuff right here, man, it smells good too, golly bum. And the thing about these things is a lot of times they'll actually have your hair tingling. Like this one doesn't. This one doesn't make your hair tingle, your scalp tingle. This one right here is just the regular hair shampoo. Says most potent when used daily, the formula which fights hair loss and stimulates regrowth by helping block the DHT properties with the DHT halting technology. The best ingredients and optional concentration for stronger, thicker hair without the harsh chemicals or side effects. So you got all natural ingredients in this stuff too, you know, which is a really great thing too, because you would not believe, after reading all this stuff, you not believe how much chemicals will actually strip your hair. And one thing that I learned about reading about all this stuff, and I believe one of my biggest things about hair loss is I actually use hot water in the shower, and I used to use a blow dryer when I blew dry my hair when I was growing up and in my early 20s, which I don't do that anymore. Actually, I don't even use a hot shower anymore. So this is the one that I really like. I really love this conditioner. This is the one that when you put it in your hair, you really feel like it's tingling. It's there's some kind of menthol or something in there that actually stimulates the blood flow in your scalp. So this right here says on the website, specifically designed to work together with our hair restoration shampoo, forming the most effective combination for fighting hair loss and encouraging stronger, thicker, healthier hair. Scientifically formulated, our anti-hair loss conditioner helps dramatically improve the appearance of thinning hair via the properties of DHT halting technology. I can just imagine where I'd be at right now without these products, because I just turned 49, okay? My brothers are bald. I mean bald. My mom's side of the family, people are like bald, okay? So this is the shampoo that I use now. I really like this shampoo because it has the same kind of tingling, I want to say revigorating, but I don't even know if that's a word, but it actually feels like this one when I use it, and it smells great. So the Professional Strength Hair Restoration Shampoo is developed for the next level support of hair loss and thinning. Professional Strength Hair Restoration Shampoo powerfully stimulates the hair regrowth and promotes healthier, thicker, and stronger hair. This extra strength hair loss shampoo formula contains even higher concentrations of our proprietary DHT halting technology. So I guess I'll pull these up here and just keep showing them by my face so it'll pull the attention away from my balding area up top, which I wear a hat all the time. So that's one reason why, like I say, I don't use these products like I should every day. Maybe I should. Maybe I should say at the beginning of the new year, I'm going to start a New Year's resolution and use this stuff exactly like it says, and then come back and give y'all an updated video and see how the products work used the correct way. I'm not saying buy these products. I'm not saying don't buy them. I'm just telling you I use these products. These are the products that I use personally myself. Maybe I should put that one down. I don't use it anymore. I use these. If I'm going to spend the money, I'm going to spend a couple dollars extra and get the most potent, the most powerful product there is. I mean, this is like Rogaine. Have you priced Rogaine? Rogaine is expensive. You can't say that this isn't worth the money of buying. I hope you appreciate the fact that I went out of my way and bought these products just to show you in the video what I use. Because I wanted brand new products in here. I didn't want the used products where it shows soap scum on top of my bottles, you know. I wanted brand new products to show in this video. I wanted something clean and refreshing to show you guys and gals. I hope the stuff really works for you. If you do, if you've ever used it, leave a comment in the comment section down below and tell me about it. I'll leave links to all this stuff in the video description down below too, and I'll even leave the links to Amazon if you'd rather buy it from Amazon. Actually, Amazon sometimes has a cheaper price than what you can find on the website. Maybe that's because of the discount, because you know this does come from the company, and maybe they want to sell it a little more on Amazon. Maybe they want to sell it a little more in different places. I'm a firm believer in this stuff. And I know I'm bald right here. I know I am, but it could be a whole lot worse because I was thinning back here and all that pretty much grew back in. I don't know if that's even in the shot there. I mean, I know I'm thin back there, but it's nothing like it was, you know? I mean, if you remember the first video I made, I was really balding back there. So this is just my personal opinion. This is my thoughts about the product. I want to tell y'all, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video was something that you were looking for. If it is, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. My channel is all about saving people time and money with my how-tos and product reviews, and I hope this is one of those times when I saved you some time and some money. Maybe you saw this video and you said, heck no, I ain't buying that stuff. It don't work. Look how bald he is. Or maybe you're going to say, I'm a believer. I want to be just like Van is, and I want to try to stop the hair loss and maybe try to grow some hair back. But try to stop the hair loss. Anything you read, everything that you see says when you notice the hair loss, start doing something then. If I would have started 10 years ago, I would still have a full head of hair. I'm 100% positive on that. Y'all, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. You have a good one now. And you come back. You. Yeah.